So, green thumb. What in the world is up with that? Why is it green thumb and possibly not green finger? Simply put, it's an idiom that means someone is really good at gardening. Picture this, you plant a seed and boom, instant jungle, like having a magic touch for plants. Now, where did this quirky idiom come from? Some say it started in England. Gardeners would handle loads of clay pots, which left their thumbs stained green with algae. Others believe it's because of the chlorophyll in plant leaves. You know, the stuff that makes plants green. Either way, it's all about being a plant whisperer, someone who's really good with plants. And here's a fun fact. In the UK, they often say green fingers instead. Same idea, different digits. So, next time you see someone with a flourishing garden, give them a nod and say, nice green thumb. And if you're not so great with plants, well, don't worry, there's always plastic ones. Happy planting! Please give us a like if you found this helpful and interesting. Thanks for watching, and this is Know Your English saying goodbye, and we will see you in the next one.